Hey, it's RE4 Film here, and I'm going to review the Chicago typewriter. This is the weapon I use more often than any other weapon. Because, it's infinite, and you don't have to recharge, so you don't lose any time, and it's powerful. But the best part is, it shoots very quickly. So, with 2 shots, you can kill somebody. And you don't have to worry about wasting bullets. Well, because it's infinite. I love using this weapon with the chainsaw guy. I remember the first time I beat this game. It was kind of difficult. I need to use the TMP, the shotgun, and the handgun that didn't even move him. But I did it. So, I do this with anger. I kill him with this typewriter. So, I love this because if you have a horde, like when the first time you get into the village, everyone's coming at you, trying to kill you. You can kill him. You can kill them like in 5 seconds. I like shooting them in the head. It explodes. And the best thing is that it's 10. The firepower, it's 10. And even it's infinite, but you can recharge it if you want to. Whoa. See, that's how easy I kill him. With the Chicago typewriter. Okay, I'm going to the village now, so I'm just gonna pause for a little bit. I'm back. If you try, when you have the gangster clothes, special tool, when you try to recharge this, he just take off his hat. See? I like this because when you start killing everybody so fast with the Chicago typewriter in the village, it ends quickly. Because when you started the game with just a handgun and little ammo, it feels like you're like 2 hours running around looking for ammo, killing this guy, watching out, And when that guy in chainsaw gets you, you're like, oh my god, I'm done. And when they kill Leon like that, cutting his head off, I just don't want to play it for a little while. It makes you feel bad. Or when the parasite eats your head. Well, that's all, I think. Just waiting for the stupid guy in chainsaw so I can kill him. What the hell is he? I'm gonna throw myself through the window now to see if I can kill him faster so I can end the video. There he is. He couldn't even get inside the room without dying. Okay, if I had to rate this weapon, I'll give him a 10. But it's not the 10 like the broken butterfly, a 10.9. Because it's a perfect weapon, it's fast, and you can, it's infinite. Well, okay. See you later. Thumbs up and comment.
everyone going? Bingo?
Need that, Leon.